Hey, my name is Hunter Sanders. Hold on. Where's that? Sorry, Euphoria. But my name is Hunter Sanders, and I am a senior this year at UAM, and I am a bachelor's in science of teaching. But I eventually want to become a hopefully mid-level science teacher, and then after 4 years of teaching, I want to go get my master's in leadership and hopefully become part of administration to a school district somewhere. So to answer the questions for this, my fears for teaching and learning consist of hopefully, not hopefully, but would be not understanding my students fully, and maybe they're struggling in something and I'm not picking up on it, but they're not asking for help, so therefore they're not excelling in it. And obviously, if they're not excelling in it, I can tell and I can help them, but I can only do so much if they're not asking for help. That's one fear of mine. The reason why I want to teach lies with I. Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to grow up and do something to help people. And when I came to college, I thought that was nursing for me, but I applied to nursing school and I just decided it wasn't for me. I didn't even look at my acceptance letter because I knew I wasn't going to do it. I was kind of nervous too that I wasn't going to get in, so we'll never know if I got in or not. But I decided to change the teaching, and I'm really glad that I did because I enjoy it a lot more than I ever did nursing. um, and then the last question, I'm so sorry. Let me go pull it up real quick. It says, okay, and then uh, my strengths for teaching. Right now, I work at a child development center, and I work with a bunch of kids they're on the spectrum in many different ways, from barely on the spectrum to barely functioning. And I've learned a lot of patience with this job, and so I'm fairly confident step into a classroom and expect the unexpected and to stay cool headed. Um, this job has taught me a lot, and I'm really appreciative of it, and I enjoy the kids a lot. Um, one thing that you may not know about me, I'm a twin. I'm from Little Rock. I used to cheer for UAM. Not anymore. I'm too old for that. Um, I don't really do much. So I guess that's it. That's me, and I'm excited for this semester.